Life demands increase in right set of efforts. 30 years of research and students have shown vital findings about cause of performance. Students who failed in exams went on to become top performers using right mindset. Dweck says rewarding escalation of efforts is important for performance. Her 30 years of research on students shows that schoolgoers who accepted challenge performed well than those who complained about it. New neuron connections were seen in brain and it developed insulation around new connections, meaning students gained motivation and reinforced learning experience from accepting challenge. They learned that by escalating their efforts, they could eventually perform. It is very important to fixate, focus on rewarding, escalating your efforts. It is a fact that in exams time, there is rise in number of students reporting anxiety, stress and negative emotions. Today, a trend that's seen around and is growing more on importance of mental wellness, much in context of downplaying the role of exams and results in students' life in the name of problems from mental pressure. Leaving behind right ways to enhance efforts is so damaging. This is so wrong, as life is no bed of roses. Life is all about efforts. Thus, what you got to do is build an environment at home for respecting and loving the growth in efforts made by your child. Environment is the fastest and biggest teacher. In talks and discussions at home, more the focus is taken away from results or expectations from child, and more the focus is put on increasing of efforts in all communication at home will help in growing right environment for growth mindset, which will enable your child to grow his or her attempts in enhancing their levels of performance. This is a matter of practice, and you got to imbibe practicing of fixating your focus on growing your efforts. Always practice what Albert Einstein said. The more you practice spending time in understanding, the more you will be clearer, and this will reduce your stress and will make you happy.